Hello, and welcome to the second video about remapping buttons on ATEM Mini. This one is going to be a technical one, so let's get right into it. So the goal for today is to explain how you can use these buttons, so duration and effect, for selecting and changing values of different settings. Settings I use are I use wipes for camera control, ISO, temperature, focus changes. I'm not going to go into this today. And then push for changing clip and gain for downsync here, and squeeze for changing the resolution and what goes out the HDMI out. Basically, I made the buttons that are on the Pro version and not on the generic ATEM Mini. And yeah, this will require programming skills for full understanding because, it's just how things are. I'm using this is Open Switcher. It's the only thing that works on Linux and looks like original Blackmagic software, kind of. And the point is, I want to be on the downsync here, and now I'm going to change clip and gain by pressing on different buttons on the Mini. Okay, so back to this view. What's actually going on? The same thing that I showed you there. I'm changing the clip and the gain, and I'm gone at some point, then I'm back, and then I can just set it the way I like it, but I don't want it to be too wide. So for the check, these two scenes should show me the same way, and there should be soft edges on the letters. So yeah, how is it done? Let's go to here. Basically, this is a script I'm using. There's a lot of more code, but I've just folded everything that's irrelevant for this video. So like Python script, it starts, it runs here, it basically connects to the camera and to the switcher, and then it says, okay, whenever there are some changes, then run certain method or function in this case. Basically, these are the important ones are here. It will either set the function for settings that what's being changed, or it will change the values. So yeah, let's go in here. In the end, I really have like 6 buttons. So I've defined 6 of these. So wipe left is focus, wipe right is for setting the ISO and temperature. Then I mix and none actually have something to do currently with creating a voice-over envelope where it basically, when I'm talking, if there is some background music or sound, that one is lowered by a little bit. I can make another video on that. And then this is the push, DV push button, and the DV squeeze button. That's then controlling different methods again. The different functions are called. But this set the setting function to the SK tune. And then, when I actually click on one of the buttons, of duration buttons, then this is invoked. So it goes here. And what it does, it divides the value by 12 because it's in frames. So, it can be I think, depending on your frame speeds, it can be more, but actually this works on those that I'm using. And so if I think if you use 60, then this wouldn't probably work. I'm not sure, haven't tested it. I just used 25. I'm in PAL region, you know. So that's just fine for this kind of videos. And then it calls the setting function, which was set to DSK tune. So it goes in here, and then, you know, it just changes the, takes the global variables, and then either adds 50, which is 5%, to the clip, or reduces it, or to the gain, same thing. And also, in order to save buttons, the invert checkbox is really when you go under 0 on clip, it's off, and when you're above 0 on clip, then it's on, and then the new values are just sent. And before all this is done, the actual duration is set to 11, and when you divide 11 by 12, you get and just take the integer part here, then you get the 0, and 0 does nothing here, basically, so it's all fine. So it will also turn off the lights on the buttons, duration buttons, which is, you know, nice, because whenever I press on it, it just goes on for a split second, and that goes off. And then, yeah, basically this command does the magic that I just showed you. So I think that's it for today's video. I will do more of these, and once I'm through all the code in the script, I will make it public. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.